In this video, I'm going to show how I clean the Keurig and also use the time efficiently to clean the microwave as well. On this channel, I do a variety of cleaning videos. Please follow us on Instagram and subscribe if you are not yet. Thank you. So I started with scrubbing out the inside of the water reservoir with some soapy water. Use a clean toothbrush to scrub the hard-to-reach areas. Here I'm filling the water reservoir with white vinegar, which I'm going to use to descale the inside of the Keurig machine. I'm using the Keurig as usual, but instead of water, it's got the vinegar in it, and that's going to descale the inside of the Keurig machine. And I will do that several times until all the vinegar is through, and then I rinse it with, fill it with water and run that through until all the vinegar is gone. So now I have a cup of hot steaming vinegar, which of course I'm not going to drink, but this is useful to clean with. So I soak a sponge with the vinegar and am using it to clean the microwave. The hot vinegar is also good for clearing any clogged drains, so I'm using some of it for that as well. So just keep running the Keurig with vinegar and then with water. I didn't really keep track of how many times I did that. Just keep going until all traces of the vinegar are out of the Keurig. at this point. Clearly this needs cleaning well all around it. There's spills of coffee and sugar all over the place, and it's very sticky. Dishwasher to make sure all the vinegar's out. And then finally, the best part.